Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you run out of time on Dress to Impress. So I'm on free play right now, but for instance, you need like an extra minute just to put on stuff. You are just going to, I don't have it here in free play, but there's going to be like an option to add like 60 more seconds at the top. You can't find it here either. It's going to be up here. Maybe I should just go to a regular server to show you guys. Let me just play real quick. Just loading the game. So here, as you can see, I joined kind of late, but you can kind of add in an extra 60 seconds to your game, but you'll need to purchase it. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.